90% now are the few videos I've made
with our
with
son.
Anderson.
Yeah.
And it makes me realize from both directions, I don't think a lot of people had maybe a dad that talked to him that way. I mean, that's how I've talked to the kids since they were
born. I mean, we spoke to
adulty.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe to a fault.
Maybe. But
yeah, it feels good. It's nice to help people. I mean, that's what it's all about is, business is great and all that, but it's really cool when, we met those two lovely people and he's like, man, both my kids are in finance and I send them your videos and
I know
they send
that
them
was so nice.
So nice. Right?
Yeah.
It was amazing.
Yeah, it's nice that, sometimes your children don't want to listen to you, So coming from another person, they'll maybe listen more and engage and maybe take that information to heart. So I think in that case, you've helped a lot of people and their family.
It feels good.
So I think, it's awesome.